Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Look who's with me. Say hi.
Hi.
We are at the 99-cent store. You guys always ask me about Pooh Bear, so we are going in the store right now, and I hope you guys want to come with us. So the first thing I see are some more of these carry-on lightweight 22-inch luggage for $14.99. Pooh Bear has found a flower, but they have gray, black, this rose gold color, and that pretty green. That's not bad. And then look you guys, they put out all of their little spring plants. They have succulents, different ones, and these are only 99¢. And then they have herbs and stuff down there. There's mint and a few other things. This is my first time seeing Kellogg's Mulan Disney Princess cereal. I see Mulan and Princess and the Frog, I believe. I think that's who that is. What'd you find? That is so cute. What is in it? It's chocolate. I bet you want to eat that, huh? No way, Jose. Come on. So me and Pooh Bear are down the Valentine's Day aisle. The candy aisle. And we've already been down here. I was just seeing if I see anything. Oh, look at this. A pet tutu. That's cute. What you find, honey? Bubbles.
Yeah.
And don't see anything different. Everything was the same. Some banks. Different colors. Look what you found.
Would you want to eat this?
Would you want to eat that?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. They got some cute teddy bears. Look at this. Is this a sloth? It's like a giant sloth according to the hands. And these are $5.99.
I'm a bear.
You are a Pooh Bear. So I see the sloth, and then I see, is that a llama? It looks like a llama teddy bear. Different ones. And a monkey that has drawers on. What'd you say?
Can you find me, guys?
I think they found you. Come on. Oh, what is this? Oh, Himalayan pink salt.
Look,
for
guys,
stuff.
I found.
You guys hear him? He keeps saying, look guys, look at what I found. He's just a pro at this. Be careful with that because it's glass. Those are cute. Let's go down this row, honey. You guys know what? Okay, so the other day, come here baby. The other day, okay, now I'm in the spring section, but I was walking through Joann's, and I need to go back there. But they had these, the artificial grass mats in Joann's, and I think they were like $21, and they're only $1 here. And they do have different ones, like different kind of styles. I bought a bunch of these last year and did a little mat behind me. They got these little grass balls, all kind of stuff, but I could not believe that those were $21 in Joann's. Here's these little lavender teapots. Those are kind of cute. Look at him. What he meddling with? Trying to get a rake. You don't need that rake. Come on. Let's see their flower pots. Oh, they got these little birds. The other day I posted some pictures on Instagram, and the flower pots that I saw, they don't have them here yet. They were really, really pretty. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already seen them. They were like some pearl kind of color. They were really pretty. But these are some watering plant stakes. These are cute. You basically just put these in your plant, fill it with water like this, I think. And then it just kind of waters it itself. Like the water seeps through and it waters your plant, and you don't have to keep watering it. Those are cute. Here's a gnome on a swing. And these are they only 99¢? Oh no, I seen that yellow tag, $1.99. But they got some different gnomes. What are you setting up? Some Hot Wheels?
Yeah,
He always finds Hot Wheels. So you got the Guardians of the Galaxy, and then you got a neon one. That one is cool. And then that red and blue one. Which one you like out of all three of those? Which one is your favorite? Okay, let's go put them back. Where'd you just get those from? Down there on the end? Okay, put them back right there. And then I see these little Flowerpot Bikes. Look at that. And then here's this one. I like those. And the LED lantern string lights. And then behind me there wasn't too much, just some knee pads and a lot of gardening stuff. They got some little fences down there with the tulips and the daisies. You keep finding those suckers. Those are marshmallow suckers. We don't eat those, huh? No way. No way, Jose?
Follow me.
Okay, I'm following you.
Follow me.
What are these? Emoji faces?
No, but we don't want to. Oh, look at this. Wait, I found one.
Why is he angry?
Let me see this one. Because somebody hit him.
Oh man, that's not nice.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Keep following me. Keep following me.
You know mommy wants to go down this row first.
No?
Yeah, let's go down here first. I always go down here first.
I don't want to go to that one.
I know, we're gonna go to the toys. Let's just go down here first. See, what you guys don't see, normally I edit out. Pooh Bear is very, very, very busy. He's hiding back there now. Yes, I think they can find you. Ah! Look where they found you at, behind some ride-on unicorns. Bouncy ride-on unicorns in purple and pink. Those are cute for $5.99. And then here's some cotton candy makers for $14.99. And there's Pooh Bear. Okay, give me your hand. Come on. Here's some infinity scarves. Look at that. That's kind of cute. And then they got some spring patterns. Those are the only, well no, there's a few back there. This neon color. But I like this floral one right here. And then I see some house shoes. These are crazy flat. Look at that. They look like pancakes. But they're $2.99, and I see gray and purple and pink. Okay, they still got some of these Elite Pro Beauty princess nails. They had a bunch of different colors at first, but I only see the blue and the white right now. Those are cute. What did I just see? A Jojo Siwa watch in blue and pink. I know there's a lot of little girls that like her stuff.
I found
Color Boost Lip Balm by Smoke and Mirrors. Never seen that. Or this translucent powder.
Look at this watch, guys.
Okay, hold on, I'm gonna look. And then look, some facial mist and concealer. What you want them to see? What is that? That's not a watch. Jesus? He said Jesus. That's not Jesus, but put it back. And then here's a lot more smoke and mirrors in the pink, like rose packages. They got all kind of stuff. Diamond Lust lip gloss, baked face blush by Measurable Differences. Like, it's a bunch of stuff over here. Some more brushes. Here's some Smoke and Mirror Intense 3D Finish lip gloss for $2. And they're packaged like the little packages you can get at, is that Sephora or Ulta? But they're cute. And they have the little jewels in there. Here's some crystal candle holders for $5.99. And then I see some cute little pictures for $2.99. There's a unicorn and an elephant. Here's this one. I saw this before. I thought that was cute with all the sparkles in there. And then you have that one. And these are $1.99. Here's another one. That's just fun to shake. And then you have some light up boxes for $4.99 in the shape of a heart. I'm used to seeing these with the square, but not the heart. But I guess those are cute because it's Valentine's Day. And now we are at the toys. Lots and lots of toys, huh?
I was looking at the looking at me.
Yeah. What are you looking at over here? What do you see?
Look what I found, guys. It's mini.
What did you find?
It's mini.
A mini Nerf for $2.99. Micro shot, hammer shot. That's one thing about him. He will definitely find either Nerfs or Hot Wheels. That's his thing. And you're holding that because we're buying that? All right.
Well, look what I also found, guys.
What is that? A clip-on for like a backpack or something?
Yeah, and I found.
Put it back up there.
And I found Pikachu.
Pokemon, Pikachu.
Pokemon.
Mm-hmm. We got all kind of stuff back here. Oh, My Little Pony. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's cool. That's a dragon for $7.99. That's really cool.
These are my favorite.
Mm-hmm. The Cat Tough Tracks for $4.99. Those are cute. Then they got some serving dishes, $3.99 for that big one. That one. Okay, they had these last year, but they didn't have that pearl like look to them or the finish on them, and they were a little bit bigger. These are different. What is that?
Bows.
Oh, for the kids to make their own bows. A JoJo bow maker. Okay. Look at these bags. That is cute. Look at these bows. These are pretty. Really big, blue and green. I don't know the price on them. They're in there. I don't want to pull them out. And here's some string lights. DIY LED letter string lights, $4.99. Oh, look at this light up frame. It's really cute. It kind of looks like it's worn and old, but it has the lights around it and a place for 4 pictures, and that's $5. That's cute. I showed these before on Instagram, these light up. I think I might have showed them in a video too, but they still have a bunch of them. Cute little unicorn pictures. And he just found a hula hoop. Hey, remember how I showed you? You gotta move them hips. Hey, get it, get it. You gotta go like that with your hips. Hey, hey, there you go. Okay, come on. Oh, they still got some of the rugs, the 3x5, and I think these were $9.99. Can't remember. Let's see. Yeah, $9.99. They have gray, light gray, dark gray, and brown. And here's more of the pillow, sequin pillow and blanket sets. I think that's is that an elephant? I don't know what that is. I think that's an elephant design. This one has the pineapple on it, just like the blanket. And then this one says love, like that. And this one has a unicorn on it. These are $5.99. I think I showed these around Christmas, but they still have them. And they have a bunch of pillows and dolls and unicorn chairs, puffy unicorn chairs, as well as the mermaid tail blankets right here for $4.99. Okay, so we are over here by the you know, like the bath stuff, the bath bombs and all of that, and he still has his hula hoop that he wants, but we are, watch out honey, watch out. But we are getting ready to get up out of here. I just kind of wanted to come down here. Surprisingly, I didn't pick up anything. All I am getting is him that hula hoop. I did purchase, oh look. Oh wait, I might get some of this. What is this? Silky Nourishment body cream. Oh yeah, I'm getting one of these for $1.99. And the reason why is because you guys remember, let me sit this down. Remember when they brought these out? This, oh, this is a big one. I love this. They were selling them small like this one right here. See how these are small for 99 cents? Okay, now they have them in the bigger containers for $2.99. And I like this. It smells so good and I love using it as a moisturizer. But I'm also gonna try this because I've never had one of these. And so, yeah, I'm gonna get both of these. Oh, I've never seen the Caress Botanicals body spray. What is this one? So you have Mediterranean Lotus and Sweet Violet. And that is pretty much it. So these two and his hula hoop, and then we're out of here. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with us. Stick around.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Oh, to you gotta pick that up now.
And subscribe to my
your YouTube channel or mommy's?
Mommy's and mine channel.
Oh, he said he has one too. So when that's up and going, you guys, I will link it. Talk to you guys later. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.